Good God almighty, boy. Put that lip kit on there, man. Bro, look, that was like less than 24 hours than we did the last video.
Exactly.
That's all I'm gonna say. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this. Oh my God. And you put the 2-inch space on here too?
In the back, yeah.
In the back? Why not in the front?
Man, look, no, I need to get an alignment. I need a better alignment, man.
That's why you didn't put them on?
Yo. This nigga was so strong, he ran through the screen, though.
What's up, bro?
That nigga ran through the screen, though. What up?
Golly, bro. Yes, bro. And then it make it look squatty more too.
Oh God, bro. I'm telling you, what I tell you, pictures on Instagram.
But from the first time, it ain't look this squatty. Now that ain't look dropped.
That shit look.
Boy, you know, daggone boy, you can't see over that hood. You know, daggone boy, you can't see over. Golly, hold on, let me see. You just dropped something. Man, look at this kid. Oh my God.
Then I was talking to them yesterday.
So look, you about to get something?
Shit, yeah.
You about to pop out something?
Shit, yeah.
So these was for sale?
Shit, yeah.
Come get them. Come get them.
Look,
bro.
Scratches ain't no nothing.
You got these things clean today.
Ain't no
Reflection. But look, bro. This truck big, man.
Sit in that bitch, bro.
I think I gotta do mine now.
You got to. You gotta add that one.
I think I want to do mine now. Oh, what you say?
Okay,
man, you look, you about to buy some wheels today, huh?
Somebody finna come up on something.
So look, if you get something today, you gonna mount it up today?
Oh look, this new money, this stuck together.
Oh! Man, that boy got that new money. Hey, look, new money with some new news, boy.
You mean?
About to pop out with some new boy.
Y'all cut us out to the meet.
Hey, look, and no wheels right there for sale. Gone. They about to be gone. Every time you see this man on my vlog, what are you doing? Fat fuck, man. Golly, you always eat something. This food is good though. I don't eat Mexican food too much, but it's busting, right, bro? Right there, boy. That boy got best paint, boy. What you get, bro? Top 15. Yeah. Top 15. Ooh. Chase, what you get?
The most games?
Chase got one. Jamar got one. Boy got one. We about to see his paint real quick. Just got his truck out of the paint shop yesterday. Boy, that thing hitting, boy. Got best paint on there. Yes, sir. Like that.
I think it's Cam.
What?
Hey, that's truck Cam.
It's Cam? That's crazy. How would you flip and switch like that?
I got cut out.
For real?
There's a button, yeah.
That's crazy. That's wild.
Mom used to raise her voice. When she used to come home, mama look at me. Why the devil always keep me company? What do you want from me? I gotta breathe, I gotta be, I wanna see. I got a recipe, got a dressing, please. I need salad, I need balance. I need time to look away, I need balance.
Wait a minute, who are you?
What you say?
I don't know where we was at before this, but now we lit. We somewhere now.
Now we lit. Beat the box. Go ahead. Beat the box. Do it again, do it again. It burnt your finger. That boy done popped out with them 28. Jeez. That boy got them 28. Hey, I just go 28.
Come on, man, yeah.
Jeez. That ain't hard. I like that.
You gotta go streets, though.
Streets? Hey, go high, go home. This ain't clean though. And he got the FTS on there. I know he got the show off on there. That's hard. Gee, boy, that pollen out here is something crazy. Boy, you have a girlfriend balls like him, boy. That boy have a girlfriend balls like him.
You can't even put your fucking finger to that.
I noticed he smoking going down the highway.
Yeah, it's
Oh, we gotta see the other side. God. Oh my God. That thing on a tire, boy. Golly. Buy for real.
Yeah, how much for this? Man, what shopping cart this is?
Jeez.
Trying to buy it.
I'll let it go for about 2.
So what?
To the shopping cart. Look, it even comes with a fucking exhaust kit, man. And a fire extinguisher. And a fire extinguisher. Laughing about this shit. Hold on. Hey, get over here. You too.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
What's up, bro? What y'all up to? What's up, bro? Nice to meet y'all, man. All right.
We see you down there, OBI.
For real?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Really ain't no choice. My mom used to raise her voice. When she used to come home, mama look at me. Why the devil always keep me company? What do you want from me? I gotta breathe, I gotta be, I wanna see. I got a recipe, got a dressing, please. I need salad, I need balance. I need time to wait, I need balance. I don't know why, gotta go and
What in the world? Jeez. He said reverse squad. Golly.
No dive.
Golly. And they called him a gasser. Them little old schools. That's like a gasser. That man trying to grab anything he see out here, boy. He's trying to buy anything he see out here, boy. You know what was look hard in your truck? Them Tufts right there, but I don't think them 6s. I don't know. They might be. What you trying to do?
What you talking about?
Let go see. Let go see.
This ain't mine, this is my buddy Brady.
Where in?
He want to sell them?
He's on the way back up here. Well, hell, you know cash is king, everything got a price.
Exactly. Exactly. A cardio truck though. Jeez. Jeez. Hey, he might. He might. They look cardio truck though. I had these same exact wheels.
And I'll give him them wheels on the back. On the same wheel.
What's up, bro? And they got a to the Jeep out here, boy. They got a to the Jeep out here. Damn!
Going from the state of Mississippi.
Damn! Golly! Why you know your shots gone? That's the cleanest OBS I've seen yet. That's clean. It look like it's all original too. That thing clean. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. I have not seen no Ford bigger than this, bro. This thing is huge. Hey, that's the first Ford I've seen big like that. That thing big. And he on the side. God, this man got a cam in that truck. Oh my God, it's loping. Man, that's my favorite OBS. I like that right there. That thing clean. Hey, the only thing you gotta do, that color match, bro, that thing look hard. That color match, yeah, that color match, woo! That color match look good. Huh?
No shit, bro. No shit.
What's up, bro?
Fucking watch your videos.
I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. That's love. I appreciate that.
God damn.
Yeah, but that truck clean, bro.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you,
yeah.
man. Nice to meet y'all. Y'all be safe.
I like you to know.
All right, appreciate it. What's up, bro? How you? Man, what you got to say for the camera before we leave? What you got to say?
Goddamn raining and I'm fucking going home.
You said you drunk. It look like you got to drive then.
Yeah.
You about to drive for real?
I'm going to.
My boy come to every truck meet, get drunk, and be like, nah, I need somebody else to drive.
Yeah, because he can't fucking drive.
Look, I was just trying to trade setups and ain't nobody want to trade me.
Hey, I got somebody want to trade you.
Who? I ain't got 6 little. Huh?
I ain't got 6 of those.
You got adapters?
That man want to leave the truck because he said it's raining. You scary.
Man, fuck that. I swear to God, the whole time down the interstate, I cannot even see this nigga brake lights. I gotta leave this.
I bet you don't take that level off.
Oh, they gotta stay on. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Everybody here just loves, man. It started raining on us. Look. It started raining. So these the wheels you want right here. Ask him to sell them. Oh yeah, he definitely. Hey, sell your wheels. He definitely sell them for sure. I promise you he'll sell them. This boy run through wheels fast as I brush my teeth.
Really?
OBI, he has some different wheels. Before OBI had different wheels, now he on these.
Oh, that's Jonathan Quick.
Yes, bro.
That's Jonathan Quick.
Bro, he'll sell you his wheels, bro. Yeah. Go talk to him.
I tell him these.
Bro?
That's why I got them.
Bro, this man goes through so many wheels. Gee, Jamar, you about to get woo. Boy, you about to get messed up, bro.
Come on, man.
Jeez. Boy, that driver nervous as I don't know what.
Hold on, Jamar. Hold on, Jamar.
Bro. Hey, man, you must have a new setup, bro. Bro, oh my God. Jeez, But he almost had a new setup. Golly.